Welcome to Cooper and the Moose's YouTube channel, where we have a fantastic time creating art, making crafts, and conducting science experiments. Today I'm going to show you how to make shadow puppets. First, you need to go to my website, moose-tastic.com, and download these templates of Cooper and the Moose. You may recognize these scenes from my book, when Cooper and the Moose sneak by his sleeping parents into the kitchen to make Mom a pancake surprise. And when the moose runs to hide from Mom before she walks into the kitchen. Once you make the shadow puppets, you can make your own stories with them. Here's what you need: scissors, glue, a pencil, 4 popsicle sticks, 4 pieces of black construction paper, and the templates from my website, moose-mischief.com. Okay, now you're going to take the template and you're going to cut it out. Once you have the template all cut out, you're going to put it upside down and you're going to trace it onto the black construction paper. Now that you have that drawn onto your black construction paper, you're going to cut it out. Okay, now you have Cooper. The next step is to glue Cooper to the popsicle stick. And there he is. We're going to let him dry though, so that you can play with it. All you have to do now is repeat that process with the next 3 templates. Now that you finish your shadow puppets, let's go have some fun. We have to sneak by Mom and Dad. Let's be very quiet. Oh no! Mom hates Moose in the house. Run! I had so much fun making shadow puppets with you. If you had fun too, please like the video and share it with a friend. See you next time! Please check out our other craft videos and buy my book, Moose Mischief, A Pancake Surprise.